Yes, new hair, new scenery. Girl, what I got going on? What? Ladies, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I am bringing all the vibes with color, with convenience. This wig today is the one that you just pull out like when you want to do something different, when you want to switch it up. The quality is... So today's video is going to be a very simple install. I'm mostly going to give you guys lots of tips on how to get the best out of your wig, okay? Of course, you want a style that is going to give you the fullness without lacking of anything. So you need the right products, you need the right tools, you need the right techniques. You notice that the scenery is different. Yes, I have switched it up a little bit because I was getting a little bored. I figured you guys probably need new scenery too. Yeah, we are in a whole new vibe. Again, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, make sure your notifications are turned on, like the video, and also go follow me on Instagram. I got some new content for you guys over there. Thank you guys who have joined the Precious Squad membership. If you have not done that and you want to be a part of the Precious Squad, that's where you can get exclusive videos, one-on-one tips from me. I can help you guys one-on-one, so make sure you join. I have new videos coming each week from here on out. We have a special series over there that I really am excited about, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and let's get into today's video. Let's get into the details of today's wig because it's super gorgeous. I really like this style, especially for spring or summer. Ginger is a color I feel like really pops in the spring and summertime, especially in the summer. This wig today is a 5x5 highlights body wave 20-inch wig, and it is in 200% density. Now this is what the 200% looks like for this company. Full, but it's still a little bit natural, on a natural side. It's comfortable. Of course, in the summer when it's hot, it's been like 95 degrees here, so you don't want nothing that's like super uncomfortable and heavy. This has the perfect amount of weight. So we're gonna style up this wig. I'm gonna show you guys how convenient it is, how you can wear it. Hairline comes ready to go. They lightly bleached, but they didn't do too much bleaching for the knots. They are super tiny, so you can blend them however you want. This is Swiss lace. This company loves using lace that is very blendable with the skin. You do get that 5x5 space, so it stops about right here with the lace, and then on the sides, it is a little bit over my ear on each side. I don't know, maybe let me adjust the straps a bit. They did add the bendable tabs, so you can bend this part. I just absolutely love how it comes styled. The hair is super, super soft. I can run my fingers through it. If you have been looking for your next ginger colored wig, this is like the perfect color because it has the dark brown going through. Color is mostly at the top. Yeah, it's a little bit going through the bottom, but not too much. But I just like it. Let me show you guys the back. So this is what the back look like, as you can see. So gorgeous. I am gonna keep the parting because the parting looks good for the style that I'm about to create. You can go ahead and switch that parting to a side part if you would like, all the way over here. And also on the other side, it's the same amount of parting. So you can do a nice little side part if you would like. A 5x5 closure to me gives versatility. Another thing you could do, you can leave your natural edges out on the side. I did have someone ask me, could you do that? Yes, you absolutely can. It's going to give a more natural appearance. Melt the lace a little bit and then get into the styling. Of course, I'm just using the straps right now. You can tighten the straps. I'm using the one that you can take in and out. In the summertime, I honestly recommend sewing your wigs more so than using glue, unless you like really are using that 6-week hold glue, which I know some of you probably don't need. And I do have a video sharing how to sew your wig if you've never done it before, so you can check out my playlist on my channel. It's on there for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Sign up and join the Precious Squad. I just did a wig make video, and you guys know I talked about some hair bundles a week ago. I'm going to be updating about that every week in the Precious Squad community. I'm going to take some of the Ruby Kisses straight down the parting just to cover knots. I'm actually looking for something a little bit better than this. You guys know I've been using this for a very long time, and it worked because most of the lace tints are a bit orangey. This actually helps for ladies, especially that's my complexion, that don't want that brownish orangey look. So just using this is in the color 9. I'll link it in my products I use, link below in the description box if you guys want to grab it. It's a really good product, but some colors are really hard to find. So I know for a fact in the link below you can actually find it. And I will also link this wig down there too for you guys. I'm gonna go down the parting with the hot comb just to blend out and try to lay this piece down. The hairline is pushed back good enough, so I'm just gonna make sure all the hairs are out the way. Just remove the extra lace. And like I said, the lace on this is very, very good. I'm cutting all the way back to the hairline, not leaving anything there. I cannot stress enough how much that's important, because if you leave any lace when you hit that sunlight, it's gonna look like it's sitting on your head. Another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some melting spray and just touch up right here at the hairline. I'm just gonna add that. I'm gonna tie it down. Now I know this is a step that you see all the time, but it's very important, trust me. Actually over time, if the lace starts to become a little older, what I'm gonna do is add some curls. I'm just gonna pin curl. I'm gonna add some front layers. So I'm gonna cut this area a little bit shorter so that it can fall correctly. I can show you guys really fast how to curl hair, because it's hard to believe sometimes that people still don't know how to curl their hair properly. So I start at the top of the hair and I kind of roll it up. And then instead of dragging the curling iron down, what you want to do is twist, roll back up, and keep this in tight. This is what's going to give you the best curl. I like to hold it for just a few seconds here, and then do it again, rolling the hair but not dragging it. And the point of this and curling it this way is to prevent the ends from sitting on the curling iron for too long. Because you know, that's where we get most of our split ends and damage, is at the ends of the hair. And this hair is super silky, so I would recommend blowing out the hair first. Now, pinning the curls will help them last longer in the hair. But again, always kind of blow it out. And I like telling you guys this little bit of details, because some people won't. And then you wonder why you can't get the same results. Another thing I might start doing, you guys can let me know in the comment section, do you want me to start adding product recommendations? Because I do feel like a lot of people tell you how to curl the hair, but they never tell you what they're using. Styling tools is going to make a huge difference for how your hair performs and the lifespan of your hair too. Just salon quality overall is going to be beneficial, especially if you suffer with your wigs being dry. This hair is such beautiful quality. I can tell this hair isn't gonna have any tangles. Very, very healthy, especially to be pre-colored, because the coloring process itself, it can be very drying. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some of this texture spray. I don't really need this one, but if you ever need something for frizz, this is the Sexy Hair. And then I'm gonna go in with this hold spray. Now, I prefer my Sebastian over this, but I'm using this up before I repurchase. Now, the key here is to actually let the curls sit for at least 20 minutes. The longer, the better. This is what's going to give you that salon results. So with this hair being super soft, silky, you definitely wanna take your time with it. Maybe pre-style it the night before. Curls are super bouncy, so gorgeous. You just gotta let them sit. I only let mine sit for about 10 minutes. And I'm gonna take a bit of this serum, a bit through my hands, and then go through the hair to break and shake out the curls. This will also help to minimize the frizz. So this is the finished result. I absolutely love the way this turned out. This wig is a 10 out of 10. There's nothing I would change unless I just wanted like more maybe lace space. That's about it. But the hair is gorgeous. The curls turned out super pretty. Again, here's a close-up of everything after. You can actually see the color. The lighting in this area is very good. Maybe I need to stay here. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the new setup? So again, this wig is from Prettyluxhair. Be sure to check the links below. I will put everything in the description box for you guys. The products will be in my products I use link. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram. I have new content over there for you guys. And be sure to subscribe, like, share the video, and I will see you guys back in my next.